Hello everyone, my name is Jason Hill and I'm a student at San Francisco State University. Today I will be going over with you the Microsoft Word editor and proofreader job description. If one possesses the necessary knowledge of Microsoft Word program, then following the instructions should be very quick and easy for you. Right now, I will walk you through in part what is to be expected for these assignments. All assignments will be sent via email. Within these emails consist of starting files, supporting documents, and instructions for completing these projects. Once you have received the email, you will simply download all the documents. As you'll see, I have already downloaded the documents. Within the downloads consist of an instructions file, a supporting documents file, a start file, and another supporting documents file. Once the documents are downloaded, you will open the start file and the instructions file. Here you will see a list of instructions and also the starting file. These instructions are meant to be applied to the starting file. As an example, for project step number 1A, as a member of the Missouri Memorial Hospital Auction Committee, you are adding and formatting graphics in a letter and handout for committee members. Start by formatting the auction graphic on page 1 as follows. A. Apply the correction brightness 0%, normal contrast plus 20% to the graphic. You'll see for page 1, which is the page that we're on, we're being asked to apply the brightness 0, normal contrast plus 20% to the graphic. So you'll simply click on the graphic, and if you possess the knowledgeable skills, you'll be able to quickly understand that what you're being asked is to go to the picture format, adjust, corrections, and as well as apply the contrast, the normal contrast, to the graphic. That task or instruction is completed. Moving ahead, just skipping over these to show you as an example, we're going to go on to number 2. Apply the title style to the paragraph Auction Fundraiser. As you'll see on page 1, we have the text Auction Fundraiser. To simply apply the style paragraph, we're going to go to the Styles Formats, click on More, and apply the title style to Auction Fundraiser. That task is now complete. Once you've completed all of the instructions in the instruction tab or in the instruction file, and you have applied them all to the start file, you will simply save it and respond back to the email which was sent from the project files.